Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss uh, Class Aves, also known as birds, which is a class of chordate subphylum vertebrate. It is a group of warm-blooded, egg-laying feather vertebrates. Dear students, birds have some unique characters, some of which are the following. Number first, feathers. Dear students, all birds have special structure, feathers, which help them to support and in flight. Besides these, feather also helps in insulations. Dear students, birds have wings. Their forelimbs are modified into special structures, wings, which is used for flight purposes. Dear students, birds have a specialized structure, beak, which is used for which is a horny structure and used for eating and defense system. The skeletal system of birds are very light and most of their bones are hollow. Dear students, birds are egg-laying animals and are called oviparous animals. Their heart have four chambers. Most of the birds have seasonal migration. They migrate in severe season from one area to another area for survival and in search of food. Dear students, birds have social behavior. They show very important parental care and they perform nesting. Besides these, birds also have other characters and inshallah we will discuss those in the next video. Duck, parrot, peacock, pigeon, sparrow, etc. Belongs to this group. Birds are divided into two main classes, two main groups, that is flying birds and flightless birds. Parrot, sparrow, etc. Belong to the flying birds, while ostrich belong to the flightless bird. Dear students, this was all about the bird, और अगले फिर दूसरी वीडियो में हम मज़ीद इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.